to enable or disable wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open settings on our phone. Over here, we're gonna go to battery settings, and then over here in battery settings, you should be able to find the wireless power sharing option. You can easily turn it on or turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, of course, or if you tap on cancel over here, of course. If you go to the option itself, you can find the battery limit setting, so you can adjust how much battery you need to have on your phone before it turns off. So if you drop the battery to 30%, then the feature is going to be automatically deactivated. So let's turn it on. Now we need to place our phone face down just like this. And now if you have another device that is that supports wireless charging, like another smartphone or a Bluetooth device or anything, then of course you can place in the middle of that phone something like that. And if you place it correctly, of course, then you should be able to start charging. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.